Hey my chat partners, welcome back. Thursday, but I'm getting ready to run out real quick. But I wanted to show you guys my little shoes I'm getting ready to wear. They're so cute. So these my little shoes, y'all. Ain't they cute? They some little bobs, and it was $18.99, and I got them in an 8.5. I got them from Ross. I got them from Ross a couple of weeks ago. I told you guys I like this style shoe. Got like 5 pair. Yeah, they're cute. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go run some errands right quick. I'll probably record a little bit while I'm out and about. I hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone has been having a good day so far. I hope everyone has been having a good week, and I hope everyone that's watching, keep your head up, stay strong, and better days ahead for everyone. Okay? All right, we're gonna be positive. Let's be positive and stop dwelling on all the negative that is showing in the media and on everything else. We're gonna stay positive because we're gonna all get through this. You will see. You will see. So y'all, Miracle said my shoes is some bootleg Toms. Ain't that what you said?
They are.
They not no bootleg Toms.
Bob's are the knockoff of Tom's.
That don't matter though. That's what I want to wear. They
Turn
cute.
around.
See?
They're cute.
It was only $18.99.
I thought you said $8.99. Okay.
They comfortable too. They got like a little cushion in them.
What do they look like?
I already showed what they look like.
Okay, turn it off now.
She a trip.
You done?
What? You got the instructions on how to do
Did you wash that thing out yet?
it? Get your, well, let me get the lemon pepper. I'm gonna put some lemon pepper and some garlic powder.
We rinse the chicken off.
Yeah.
You want to cook it?
About 25 minutes. Oh, I guess 375. I don't know. 370 is good. Okay, well, move. Let me put the
So
chicken
just
in there.
do that so that it won't start it again.
Well,
Take that
let
out.
me. How you open this thing?
I don't know. See, that's why I said, because it automatically starts.
We trying to use the air fryer for the first time and don't have no instructions.
Oh my God.
That's a shame.
Put this stuff in there. Be careful because it's hot. Well, it heats up all
It's right
night.
there.
Well, put it in there. And then you can just dump it right. That's
good.
enough. How many minutes?
25 minutes.
You know we gotta flip them, right?
Yeah.
At least it only works when you put the stuff in there. That way, you know.
Yeah. So halfway is like what, 52? So I guess we turn it around then. So
It counted down.
while the air fryer is cooking, we're gonna cook these here, these banana nut muffins. So let me preheat the oven.
Hey. What did you gotta?
Okay, for the banana nut muffins, you gotta have 3/4 cups of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. So I'm cracking the eggs in there now.
You want to get the little chicken part out.
What chicken part?
The little white thing. Yeah, you eating a little
Girl, stop.
What's 80 millimeters? What is that? Is that half a cup?
I have no idea.
One. Oh my God, it's gonna tell.
We sitting up here trying to make muffins, and look at my measuring cup. None of my measuring cups have the measurement on it. It's all wiped off, and I just left Rose's not too long ago, and I should have got me some measuring cups. That was something that I missed getting. I didn't write that on my list of things I needed. gotta flip it over. So this is what the chicken looking like now, halfway through here. So I do time, right, Miracle? So minutes. Okay, there we go. I think that's what I want to do.
Use the towel on top so it don't burn
I hope these is good. They look like they done enough for you.
you. Yeah, they're done. How long you cooking for? Like 30 plus minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they should be done.
Alright, so let's do a taste test. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm getting ready to try these wings I just cooked in this air fryer. I hope they done because I'm particular about my chicken. I like my chicken well done, and I can say I don't like the air fryer. It takes too long and it's too difficult to open and close and to figure out what to do. And I guess they come with because I didn't have instructions. If I had the instructions, it would have been a way better experience. But hey, it is what it is. What I'm gonna do is try this little bitty one right here. Okay. Okay. It's a little crispy. Okay. It don't taste bad because I don't know how to fry chicken anyway. And it don't taste bad considering I had just seasoned it before I put it in there. Oh, it's my first time ever using it. Tastes alright. There's nothing to brag about. I'm gonna put it on 400 and we're gonna cook it for 30 minutes. It takes too long. Because I told her, I said this batch, the first batch didn't come out right. I told her that I was gonna put them in the oven. But experience. And now what I'm getting ready to do is try one of these little banana nut muffins. Take my glasses off because I really need to go get them adjusted because they really be getting on my nerves. Okay, so this is what the banana nut muffin looking like. And I've been into it already. Okay, it's supposed to be like one of them protein brand ones. I mean, it tastes alright. It ain't that sweet though. Maybe if a banana was crushed up in here or smashed in here to taste better. You know how stuff tastes when it ain't got the real thing in it. Supposed to be banana flavoring. I don't even know what ingredients in here. I ain't even read it. Okay. It's alright. I'm up here doing this. I'm so used to my glasses pushing them up. My dinner tonight is going to be wings. Banana nut muffins. That's my dinner tonight. Okay, y'all. I'm getting ready to eat my little dinner. If that's what you want to call it. You know what I'm going to call this? A little trial dinner. First time using the air fryer and first time trying to make some banana nut muffins and measuring cups and even have the instructions on there. So I'm just going to chill on the chair. I'm just going to chill on the couch with my daughter, spend some time with her. Miracle.
I have preheated my oven to 300.
Yes.
You good?
I'm going to set the timer for
Yes,
20 minutes.
Hey.
So while it's in the
I'm going
oven,
to just chill on the chair with her for a little while and watch it.
crunch.
I don't know. We're going to find a movie or something to watch.